Hello guys, you're welcome back to another video. In today's video, okay, go to the comment section, okay, click on that comment section, that airdrop link, come on here, join this group right here so you can join this airdrop. Okay, they've already launched the token, okay, which means any kind of coin, any amount of coin you get from this airdrop, you can sell it real quick. Okay, it's nothing like honeypot. Okay, there's nothing like honeypot. I'm sorry. So what you have to do is to just click on that referral link right there. Okay, so what will happen is that let's just wait. I'm trying to bring this up. Okay, so let's go all the way up. Okay, let's go all the way up. Just wait. Okay, so you need to start the airdrop. Okay, after starting it, okay, then you'll get this message. After you've gotten this message, then you have to join all of the group as usual. You have to keep joining. Okay, keep joining. Okay, and when you join, try to type that mini Pepe is the next Pepe. Okay, so just do it. Then you come and join their second group. After you join, okay, make sure you are joining. Okay, when you join, okay, then you come here and submit your Telegram username. Okay, yes, you should have a Telegram username. So that's mine right there. Just for the purpose of this video, make sure you create another Telegram account that you use for your airdrop. Okay, yes, so you come on here, okay, and you have to just wait. Let's scroll up, just read through all of this. Okay, make sure you don't send anything like BNB to the address that you're seeing right there. Please don't do it. So right now you have to click on next so you can join the airdrop. Don't send any BNB to them. Okay, all the airdrop we share on here, they are all free and fair. Don't send anything to get any kind of token or stuff. Okay, just focus on what I'm showing you. After clicking on next, okay, then you get this message right here. Okay, this is where you can join, like get on your Twitter account and like their posts and try to comment and just engage with the post they've already posted. Okay, so like this one right here, just wait. Okay, let me show you guys. Then you come on here, like the post, retweet it, then you can just comment. Okay, yes, just retweet it, but in this case you can even comment the you can comment this, just where I'm going to show you. Okay, just wait. Okay, you can see I've retweeted mine. Okay, so try to do all of this. Make sure you like the post. Yeah, make sure you like the post. Okay, then come here, you can post this, okay, as a comment. Yeah, then you get back on your Telegram on the airdrop. Yeah, so right here we are going to click on this the second link. Will actually, let's just click on that one first, so let's know where this will take us to. So this is what you have to do. Okay, for those of you guys that are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Okay, so we have to come on here as well and like and retweet. Okay, I think this is the same post. Okay, yeah, so we have to wait, let me check. Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah, I think this is the same post. Okay, so just skip this one. Okay, leave the other link. So let's just get on Telegram. So right here we have to take on their main page, I mean the mini Pepe. So when you just come on here, you can just come on here and follow their main page. Okay, I feel that this coin may pump, but it's not promising. Okay, so let's just follow up. So after following them, okay, then we have to, let's get back on Telegram so we can know the next thing to do. Okay, then yes, they have a pinned post like that. I don't think they pinned it actually, but let's just look for it. Then you get on here. When you get on here, then you are going to see this post. Okay, only this post right here. Okay, so you need to make sure you like the post, retweet it, and you can comment and tag one of your friend or few of your friends. If you don't have any friend on there, you can just tag random people. I tagged only one person that I don't even know. So you can just do that for the purpose of the airdrop, so you can get it, and the airdrop will be given to you in 24 hours. Yes, so that was what they said right there. Yeah, so I've done mine already. I'm just showing you guys the procedure. So the next thing is going to be to send your retweet link. Okay, you need to send them a proof, okay, that you've already retweeted and you've done all of that. So let's get on my profile. Get on your profile, okay, on Twitter. Just watch me do this so you can. This is my profile here on Twitter. This, for the purpose of this airdrop, I use this account. Okay, yes. So then you come, just look for it. Okay, just look for the when you've retweeted. Okay, I think it is this one right here. So you just click down there, below that photo, there's that button. Then click on copy link to tweet or stuff. Yeah, then get back on this Telegram here. So when you get back on here, then you have to paste that link for them. As you can see, I've already pasted mine. Okay, yes, I've already pasted mine. So when you paste it, then you just send it. So when you send it right there, okay, then you get this message right here, final tax. Okay, remember I've sent mine. The final tax is that you're going to send your BEP20 address, which is your BSC address. So you get on Trust Wallet. Okay, let me open it. Okay, when you get on your Trust Wallet right here, you are going to see your BNB, okay, with the black logo. Okay, copy the address, go to receive and copy the address right here. I hope you're watching. Then just copy it. When you copy it, then you get back on Telegram. When you get back on Telegram, then you try to paste the address. As you can see, I've already done mine. I am just like showing you guys what you have to do, so don't make any kind of mistake. So after doing that, okay, you get this message right here. Okay, I think they'll send you some token. Okay, after they've sent you that token, but that token is going to be on here. They'll tell you that you've already gotten about some amount of token. So then you see withdraw. Try to click on the withdraw, okay, and it will automatically, you know, get to your Trust Wallet. But I think this will take about 24 hours before you can see it. So let's get on here. Then you get on here, copy their contract. I'm going to leave the contract for you guys in the, I think it's already on my group there, on my airdrop Telegram group. Okay, that group you used before. Okay, so you get on your Trust Wallet here, come up there, okay, then paste the contract right there, then click on that button down there. After no asset found, yeah, add custom token. Yeah, then you come on here, select BSC, okay, then press that contract right there, then click on save. Yeah, then you will see this. So this is how you can add it up. So after adding it, then let's wait for 24 hours for the coin to get to our, you know, Trust Wallet. So yeah, guys, let me know if you enjoyed this video, okay, and don't forget to join that Telegram group which we've already created, because that's where I drop all the airdrops before I start making videos about how you can go about claiming it. So let me know what you think about this video, and catch you again. Before you go, okay, if you want to make more money, okay, you can just refer more people. That's how you can get to make more money. And I believe you can as well sell this coin because they've already been listed. Okay, they're already on CoinMarketCap as well. So catch you again.